Hello friends, welcome to Prasik Study Forum. In this video, we will be discussing about NLC Management Trainee Preparation Strategy. Yes, friends, NLC is Navalny Lignite Corporation, which has recently released the notification and also extended the last date. So now last date is 17th May. So we will discuss everything regarding this exam and what will be the preparation strategy. In this video, we will be discussing about we will be discussing about vacancies, syllabus, exam patterns, cutoffs, salaries. Yes, friend, or live salary slip I will be discussing in this video. What will be the study plan, how to study, exam level, what is the exam level and previous papers, if any. So we will be discussing everything regarding this. So mechanical vacancies is 125, is UR 52 and remaining other categories. Electrical 65, 25 UR and remaining all categories. EC and control and instrumentation 15 vacancies. Computer, mining and geology, you can everyone can see these are the vacancies. So let's move ahead, and this will be the syllabus for electrical engineering, electric circuits, magnetic fields, signal and systems, electrical machines, power systems, control systems, electrical and instrument measurements, analog digital, power electronics and soft computing techniques. This is something new which will be not having more weightage, friends, so just ignore this fact. Fuzzy systems, artificial neural and microcomputing, this will be having very least weightage. I will be discussing subject wise weightage also, but in brief, if I have to tell you, electrical machines, power systems, power electronics and electric circuits, these four will be having major weightage, friends, and measurements. So let's see the exam pattern. This snapshot is taken off from the official notification, friends. Exam will be online, that is obvious. It will be held for 2 hours. Paper 1 will be consisting of 40 questions and paper 2 will be consisting of 80 questions. Paper 1 will be having parts like quants, logical, general awareness and data interpretation and English, while paper 2 will be having professional knowledge, which is technical, which is for mechanical questions and electrical questions. So total will be 120 questions. Each question will be covering 1 marks and 1/4 negative. Yes friend, this is different from Coal India, it's 1/4 negative and everything will be same. Paper will be only in English, only English paper will be there, no regional language, and qualifying marks will be given in the cutoffs. So this is the overview. Technical will be 80 marks and reasoning, quants, English and GS will be 40 marks. If we consider, this will be I think 10 marks per subject, but we can't predict to be precise. It can be 15, 15, 5, 5 also, but let's, for the safe side, let's go as 10 questions per subject. Technical level will be GATE 1 mark questions, ESE 1 mark questions. This will be technical level. Paper won't be very hard, friends, because time is very less, so paper won't be calculative, it will be only subjective level. It will be same level as Coal India. Yes friends, same level as Coal India. Reasoning will be bank PO level, quants will be bank PO level, they will be tough. English will be CGL and general science will be of JE level. SSC JE, this is SSC JE level. So I am repeating, friends, for technical please prepare GATE 1 mark and ESE 1 mark question. And if we go for safe score, out of this technical 80, try to get 65 plus, and out of this 40, try to get 32 plus. Yes friends, out of this technical, try to get 65 plus, and out of this 40, try to get 32 plus. So that will be the safe score. And friends, if you go, previous papers are not available, so don't fall in the trap of previous exam, previous questions, nothing is there, only previous exam. If you have to go, please solve CIL question paper, Vizag question paper and GATE and ESE 1 mark question paper. Vizag question paper and GATE and ESE 1 mark question paper, plus these are only the previous questions. Don't fall in the trap of previous year paper, because exam is conducted for the first time. Till now it was with GATE. exam will be hard to moderate level as competition is very high. Sir, friends, exam will be hard to moderate, but competition will be very high, and ratio for interview is 1:6. You can verify in the notification. So many students will be called, so there will be neck to neck competition for selection. Please understand, friends. Your selection will be confirmed if you are find in the final select list. Don't fall in the trap of getting call for interview make you select. So I told you already, please expect 80% score as safe score out of 120. Please try to score more than 100 marks, so you to be in safe side for general candidates and respectively for categories. And this is the final bonus, friends. This is the salary slip for the month of January. You can see it's having a very handsome salary of 62,000, and this is only in the month of training period. After training, your salary will be increased to 6. Your basic will be 60k, so your salary will be obviously 75k. After training, your salary will be 75k, friends. Thank you, friends. Please subscribe to our channel.